Today we're going to go ahead and swap out the timer control and battery on this old Game Winner that we've had forever. This has been on the channel in the past. There is a video that's like 5 years old about it. But yeah, today we're going to go ahead and just simply swap out this battery and switch over to another control. First we'll go ahead and disconnect our negative. I don't think there's much juice left on this guy. Then we'll go ahead and pull off our positive. There we go. Nice. Get in here and pull off the connections at the motor. This thing's jammed up in there. This is intended for another feeder, but we put it on here temporarily. So now we'll go ahead and take this off. Let's grab our replacement from the junkyard. Let's not forget a brand new Wild Game Innovations battery. Long lasting. Let's put that in place. If you got a solar panel wire like us rolling in, you'll need to go ahead and connect that first. That's on there. And we'll get this, get your negative on the top there. Now we'll get our controls. Like I said, it's from a junkyard, so go ahead and connect our little alligator clip there. Sneak this little one on right there. Put that in there real quick. Then we'll take our positive, go on top, so that way it can't fall off the bottom. Then we'll take our last, make sure it's not tangled over or wrapped around too many wires, because these things, they can become a pain. Thankfully it still wiggles. That qualifies for good grabbing right there. We'll just go ahead and push it on there. These do get corroded pretty easily. I recommend squirting a little WD-40 on them just to prevent a little extra rust. And then after that, should be good to go. After this, let's run our clock. It's currently 12:57 p.m. Our feed times, I'm gonna go with 7 a.m. We'll just do 7:05. I want to go for 4 seconds. This one says 4 o'clock. I'm okay with 4. Let's do 4:15. And then we'll go for 4 seconds as well. And this time you can see it's saying low. I don't know, let's see if this old thing's working still. We'll hit test. And then let's back away. All right, that's working. And screen's not flickering. Shows that battery needs a little bit of charging. It's not at 100%. But yeah, we'll check this later after this afternoon. We'll be back at 4:15. Make sure you get all your wires tucked in. Still got plenty of power. And latched. Also, we'll go ahead and don't forget your little safety clip. And Woola Girl and I will see y'all on the next video.